Hey guys! So this week's theme on 7 Adorable AG Doll 7 is your favorite song. Um, this video is going to be really bad and probably really short because my camera was being like really stupid and it's not working, so yeah, I have to do it from my webcam. So my favorite song is Lovesick by Emily Osment. It's a really good song. You should go look it up and listen to it. Uh, yeah. So I also just wanted to give you guys a little bit of news. My mom is going to Minneapolis and she's buying my family, like me, Julie, Josephina, and Riley, one more sister. Her name's Ivy, but we're going to rename her Charlotte probably. She's 10 years old and the day that we get her will be her birthday. So if you want more information, go to my main channel, MPH1998, and look at the bottom and you'll see her hobbies and stuff. So yeah, sorry that this video totally sucked, but keep watching for next week. I promise you it'll be so much better. Um, love y'all. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.